How to download X, Twitter app on Android. First things first, unlock your phone. Once you are in, find the Google Play Store. It's usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Got it? Tap it. Next, hit the search bar at the top and right there type Twitter or just X. And boom, the new logo pops up. That white X and black background, that's the one. Tap it. Now, hit install and wait for magic to happen. It will just take a few seconds depending on your Wi-Fi. Once it's done, tap open and you are in. Welcome to the land of trending tweets. X. Pro tip: if you want to pin it for quick access, just long press the X app and drag it on your home screen. Boom! It's right there next to your favorite apps. And that's it. You have downloaded X app on your phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.